Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert a columns container into a slider using a plugin in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to showcase multiple pieces of content in a compact, interactive format that automatically cycles through your items, perfect for testimonials, portfolios, or featured products. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on Plugins, then select Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can search for new tools to enhance your site's functionality. In the search field that appears, type Slide Everything for Elementor. This plugin is specifically designed to transform static containers into dynamic sliders without any coding required. Once you see it in the results, click Install Now. After the installation completes, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click that to activate the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is ready, navigate to Pages in your left sidebar and click Add Page. This creates a fresh canvas for you to work with. Once the new page loads, click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor where you'll build your slider. In the Elementor editor, click the gray plus icon to add a new container. This container will house the content you want to turn into a slider. Once the container is added, look at the left panel and go to Layout. Here, set the direction to row-horizontal. This ensures your content sits side by side rather than stacked vertically, which is essential for a proper slider layout. Next, select the parent container by clicking on it, navigate to the Advanced tab in the left panel, and locate the CSS ID field. Type a unique ID here, something like Slider1. This ID is crucial because it allows the plugin to target this specific container and convert it into a slider. Make sure you remember this ID as you'll need it in just a moment. Now it's time to connect the plugin. Search for the Slide Everything widget in the Elementor Elements panel and drag it onto your page. In the widget settings that appear on the left, you'll see a field labeled Slider ID. Here, enter your CSS ID with a hashtag symbol in front, so it would be #slider1. The hashtag tells the plugin exactly which container to transform. Finally, adjust your slider settings to match your needs. You can set slides per view to control how many items display at once. For example, 3 for desktop creates a nice balanced look. Enable loop if you want the slider to restart automatically after reaching the end, and turn on autoplay to make it cycle through content without user interaction. And there you have it, you've successfully converted a columns container into a functional slider using the Slide Everything plugin in Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.